Just an apology to all of my subs who would have taken me at my word that I'd produce a video every week and upload it. I've fallen foul of my internet service provider, who has let me down 5 times in the last 4 weeks over fixing it. This video is proof that I'm back online. However, for how long I can't be sure. The infrastructure where I live is very poor. It's been neglected over a great number of years, and the modern internet service provider is realising that it's not cost effective to keep people like me connected. There's 8 miles of copper wire between me and the exchange, and nothing in between. That's 8 miles of overhead and underground cables that are subject to lightning strike, tree rub, farmers, all sorts, corrosion, you know, there we go. So apologies, I'm really sorry. I couldn't even post something to say I can't post anything. Hope you'll stick with me, and I hope to keep posting once a week. If I fail, you know the most likely reason. God bless and good luck in 2018.